Woi, cukur nih. Almost going home. Tes. Good.
I got a lot of cash.
Wayan
I
berbahasa.
don't mind spending it. Yeah. I'ma smoke this joint and I'ma break you off. I'd be lying if I said you ain't the one.
Cica panjang itu keren.
Glam.
Bilang deh kan.
Cicing baru besok kelihatan.
Heard you not the type that you take home the most. Is we fucking with
Bilang
me
deh kan
in
dulu.
the club or not?
Daripada Negan.
I ain't spending cash for nothing. I wanna see you
Undercut.
take it off. I'm about this
Undercut.
bottle, you gon'
Nah, undercut sih.
brain or not?
Cicing.
You like the way I flick my tongue, I know. You can ride my face until you drip it.
Tipis tuh.
Mandor kan tipis.
Oh, boy yang nama udah sih.
Can you let me stretch that
Ada
pussy
kebus nih.
out?
Enggak meluk bos. Besok bos aja.
Wah, coba deh. Keren enak di situ aja kebus di.
Tryna save you, baby, get that baby.
Ya dia orang masih enggak bos.
Got a lot of other bitches.
Meledak ini.
Sing.
So good, had to save that shit for later. Took her to the kitchen, fucked her right there on the table. She rapping XO to the death. I'm tryna make these bitches wet. I'm tryna keep that.
Oh, kuping diburu makan.
Ngoyo deh.
Show me is you really about your money, girl, and all. Don't play with a boss, girl.
Hampir aja dari kacir. Dia baru barbershop termahal di dunia nih. Kacarin tuh video aja.
Is you really about your money or
Boleh.
not? Can you really take dick or not? Can I bring another bitch or not? Is you with the shit or not?
Agak halusin ya dia. Orang ganteng loh. Cara mengikutin badan aja.
Was you loud a nigga or not?
Oh, kuping kan.
Can I bring another bitch or not? Is you with the shit or not? Oh no, oh no. Would you love a nigga or not? Was you love a nigga or not? Was you loud a nigga or not? Oh no.
Kok nih udah nih.
Nih si Bon itu cuy.
Bus aja nih.
Oh, cuy bus.
Oh, makanya.
Bon. Masa? Udah aja. Yang mau.
Apa pikirannya bos gede nih? Apa nih ada listrik nih? Kebus nih?
Iya, dia ngomong gitu bos.
Bisa.
Dia orang yang bos gitu aja.
Show me is you really about your
Udah,
money,
udah.
Cuman 12 perak.
Boy, nyala. Dia kan cukup lagi.
Enggak udah pas bos tuh.
you won't get it all.
Nih, ya, kerusakan ini kan di
Is you
sini
really
ya.
about your money or not? Can you really
Oh,
take
yang mana,
dick or not? Can I bring another bitch or not? Is you with the shit or not? Oh no, oh no. Would you love a nigga or not? Was you love a nigga or not?
Dia ngebawaan.
Nigga or not? Oh no, oh no. Can you really take dick or not? Can I bring another bitch or not? Is you with the shit or not?
Kamu ada nih ngomong mana nih itu bukan cukure. Berarti gagal tidak itu kan cukup. Jadi nu perlu tikus-tikus percobaan guys.
Let a real nigga inside it. Girl, take it, keep fighting. I'ma ride it like a pilot.
Ketujuh.
TCS.
Bos aja.
Mati lampu nih. Kayak gelap nih. Sudah mau ngecek lah.
Sini lagi ya.
When I
Oh,
look
mau
into your
Wah.
eyes,
Mana kaya.
Konslet,
watching the
Konslet bro.
night sky.
Slide tuh.
All
Ngomong ini kan.
beautiful
Wah,
summer.
siap cici. Kalian apa denger itu? Belajar. Cici.
Wadah.
Udah gunting.
Just